In a peaceful village nestled between rolling hills and whispering forests, a brave hedgehog named Henry and a kind rabbit named Ruby formed an inseparable bond. Henry, with his quills always ready to defend, and Ruby, with her gentle heart and quick feet, were the village's charm. One twilight, an ominous shadow loomed over their village. The air turned thick with whispers of a mysterious force that threatened to engulf their serene home in darkness. The villagers, gripped by fear, looked to Henry and Ruby for hope. Without hesitation, Henry's bravery and Ruby's kindness surged forth as they vowed to protect their beloved home. As they embarked on their quest, they encountered a resourceful mouse named Max. Max wore a tiny pair of glasses and always had a pouch filled with handy tools. Hearing about their mission, Max offered his help, eager to contribute his ingenuity. Grateful for his support, Henry and Ruby welcomed Max into their team. The trio faced numerous obstacles, from towering, enchanted trees that moved of their own accord to deep, treacherous ravines that seemed insurmountable. Henry's bravery often led them through daunting paths, while Ruby's kindness won the hearts of creatures they met, who then offered their guidance. Max's cleverness provided practical solutions to the dangers they encountered, from building bridges of sturdy vines to creating clever distractions for lurking foes. Each challenge strengthened their bond and deepened their understanding of one another. Finally, they reached the heart of the dark forest, where the mysterious force resided.